Imagine buying a green product, feeling good about your choice, only to find out it's an illusion. Companies often boast about clean manufacturing, creating sustainability claims based on what is called a partial life cycle assessment. They show you the pristine factory, but conveniently ignore the emissions during the product's use, or the centuries it spends in a landfill. Even if every number they share is completely accurate, it tells a dangerously incomplete story. Regulators and auditors are finally catching on. They no longer accept selective boundaries designed to flatter the final result. Today, they expect a full life cycle scope, from raw material extraction right down to the garbage bin. This is where Speeki steps in. Before a company builds a marketing campaign on a sustainability claim, Speeki reviews the life cycle assessment scope for total completeness. By catching partial boundaries early, they prevent misleading claims from reaching the public. True sustainability means owning the whole story, from start to finish.